If your iPhone has become slow, don't format it and don't go and do a reset. There are simple steps that can make a real difference from the first day, especially if the device opens apps slowly, freezes, or the battery gets hot for no reason. Let's start with the strongest step. First thing, open Settings, General, iPhone Storage. Look at the free space. If the storage is almost full, the iPhone starts to become very slow, even if the device itself is powerful. Go into the apps that are taking up a lot of space and start with videos, old photos, and downloads you don't need. And if you find a large app that you don't use, choose Offload App, not Delete App. Why? Because Offload removes the app itself, but keeps its data. That means if you download it again, you will find your stuff just as it was. This step is one of the things that really makes a difference, especially on 64 gigabyte and 128 gigabyte devices. Second thing, check the battery health. Open Settings, Battery, Battery Health. Look at maximum capacity and also look at peak performance capability. If the battery is weak or you see a message saying the battery needs service, then the slowdown is not only from the settings. Why? Because when the iPhone battery is no longer able to provide stable power, performance may be reduced so the device stays stable and does not suddenly shut down. In this case, the strongest real solution is not a cleaning app or a magic button. The real solution is to replace the battery from a trusted place. Third thing, turn off background app refresh. Open Settings, General, Background app refresh. Here you have two good options. Either turn it off completely or set it to Wi-Fi only and turn it off for apps that are not important. Why is this important? Because some apps keep fetching data and updating themselves while you're not even using them. This can put pressure on the battery, the internet, and sometimes make the device feel slower. Leave it only for important apps, like maps or messaging apps if you need them. Fourth thing, clean Safari if browsing has become slow. Open Settings, Apps, Safari. Clear history and website data. This step will not speed up the whole iPhone, but it makes a big difference if Safari has become slow, websites open with difficulty, or pages keep freezing. But keep in mind, you may need to log in again to some websites. Fifth thing, restart the device. Turn off the iPhone, wait 30 seconds, then turn it back on. This step is simple, but it ends background processes that may be stuck, and it can fix sudden freezing in an app or in the system. If your device has been running for days or weeks without a restart, try it, and you will feel the difference. Sixth thing, update iOS and your apps, but do it wisely. Open Settings, General, Software Update. If there is a stable update, install it. After that, open the App Store, tap your account picture, and update your apps. Why? Because sometimes the slowdown comes from an old app that is not fully compatible with the current iOS version. But keep in mind, after a major update, it is normal for the device to become warm or a little slower for a few hours because it is organizing files, photos, and data in the background. This is normal, so don't judge it immediately. In the end, do these steps, then use your iPhone for a full day and see the difference for yourself. If this video helped you, hit the like button so it can reach other people whose iPhone has become slow and they don't know why, and subscribe to the channel because the next videos will be about iPhone settings that many people leave turned on, and they affect both battery and performance. And write in the comments what slows down your iPhone the most: storage, battery, or apps.